Shift his weight, which he does a second time, and now a third. Oh, a suplex of it.
There.
Lashley's now in. He's legal.
Lashley's just way too quick. There's no way. Ambrose somehow able to hang on, fighting his way off.
Pulls through.
Whoa!
Neck breaker by Ambrose. McIntyre again, preventing Ambrose from making a tag.
Not quick enough.
Ambrose, that's vintage Ambrose there. On the apron. Tag. Roman's legal. So's Corbin.
Corbin showing complete disregard.
The big dog is home.
Yeah, Roman really to Baron Corbin here tonight.
Corbin's on the wrong side of town for this.
Roman Reigns with a drive-by. Rollins will launch himself into McIntyre.
Unlikely savior in the form of the lunatic.
Lashley. Oh, and Rollins.
Might as well see what this thing can do.
How about one for the road, Dean? McIntyre. Big dog. Intercepted.
Big six.
And McIntyre driven into the timekeeper's area. Rollins. Dean Ambrose.
The shift in power is upon us. Or is it? And you don't want to throw hands with Baron Corbin, the Golden Glove boxing champion. Head down.
Oh my God, did you hear that?
But on his shoulders, Baron Corbin drives Reigns. And Baron Corbin looking at that choke slam. Meanwhile, Ambrose and Lashley and Rollins and McIntyre are still fighting out in the WWE. Chaos everywhere on the road to WrestleMania. Taking it to McIntyre.
Take a seat, Drew. The best.
And Corbin with Roman Reigns.
Two men wearing each other down tonight.
Strike at Roman.
A perilous situation for both of these men high above the ring. Meanwhile, the fight continues.
Sure.
Roman Reigns with Corbin up top. Oh, to sit out power. What the hell does McIntyre and Lashley have in mind? The table that's used during our kickoff show by our panelists and off that table. And Rollins comes out of the stand.
Oh my God!
And Corbin still on his feet.
Unbelievable.
Superman punch.
But then the kick out of a Superman punch from the big dog.
Wait.
McIntyre is back as well. Drives Ambrose into the barricade. The Superman punch and another one. Turns his attention to Corbin.
End of days.
And breaking it up is Ambrose.
It would have been au revoir Shield if it wasn't for Seth and Dean jumping in there to save him.
Feel bad for the official. He's lost complete control of this. His attention again to the legal man, Roman Reigns.
And Roman Reigns still hasn't moved from calling the shots, coordinating the attack.
And now ripping apart of the Spanish announcer. Have in mind.
I don't think you need to be that creative to imagine what these three have in mind.
Complete Roman Reigns, what the Shield has done to so many competitors over the years. Meanwhile, Ambrose and Rollins back in an elbow right to the back of the neck. Seth Rollins, looking to send Rollins.
Superman punch.
And now a stop by Rollins. Spear! The swarming hounds of justice. The 3-on-1 attack. Fire.
6 boots, 6 fists.
These men want to talk about, well,
McIntyre going for the ride. The triple powerbomb. If you're gonna go out, you might as well go out big. And the Shield in a classic huddle.
Agony.
about to go down.
Lashley was taken out by a stomp. Surrounding the ring. Baron Corbin realizes that he's in deep, deep trouble.
Play dead.
Pray.
And nobody to help him. Super kick, Superman punch, Dirty D. One last mother. You heard Seth Rollins say one last time. Vintage Shield. Leaves with the cover. The Shield. is indeed the end of an era. It changed the history of WWE forever. Of justice rides successful for one final time. A battle throughout the arena. Seth Rollins would launch himself out of the WWE. Dean Ambrose and Seth Rollins. We will never see this again.
Summon the Cerberus one last time. And yet the exclamation point in the center of the ring.
We start on the road to another. Dean Ambrose, future uncertain. Roman WrestleMania. One door closes tonight, another one opens.